Okay, so nothing but crappy weather the last 4 days. We have not been able to do transplants. We haven't been able to do weeding. What we were able to do though is this afternoon was work on this hoop house again. And as a team, we came out here and we were determined to make these things work. This is what came with the hoop house, and they are just the weirdest thing, and we just couldn't figure out what was going on. So that's why I came up with the bolts here to do it this way and have the bolt on it. So I did a self-tapper on that, and that took forever. So Deb and I were talking about it, and we're like, you know what, we just got to figure this thing out and see how this goes. So as a team, what was it, 5 of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. We figured how to do it, and so we were able to get this bottom rail in and both of those rails in about an hour's time, working together as a team once we figured out how to get those things on. And we can tap them down, up and down, because they move around a little bit. So we're able to see, it looks like it's up a little bit down at that end, not really sure, but we can tap it down if we have to. So really happy that we got that thing figured out, and we got this thing up lightning fast. Continually to lean up this hoop house. The goal is to learn as much as we possibly can from building this one, and doing major anchor work and concrete to hold it down with the straps that came with it, and to be able to put the next one, which is right over here, in this open gap between these two places. Put this next one up. We're going to put it up in one afternoon. Okay, maybe one day, but one afternoon would be sweet.